All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys are doing well. We've got a lot of movement going on already this morning, obviously on NASDAQ and E-mini S&P. So just a quick look at the news release that came out pre-market. We've had two. We had retail and core retail sales, high impacts. Both of them were bearish for the indices, bullish for the dollar. So let's see what we got. Obviously, this is push price very aggressively to the downside. Let's see, NASDAQ, how far is this? Let's go from London high to now. We got about 250 points. Okay, so that's not bad. As of right now, the one thing that is sticking out to me is obviously the fact that we've swept this sell side. So we've got London low from yesterday, and we've got Friday PM session low, both taken out here on NASDAQ. Those same lows here on E-mini S&P are right here. So obviously we've got some pretty prominent bullish SMT beginning to form. I'm not going to mark it out over here on ES just yet because if we go long, that's what we're going to end up looking to trade on. So if anything, right now I'm favoring the bullish bias. I'm favoring the bullish bias a little bit more because of this sell side sweep and because of the bullish SMT divergence that we have on E-mini S&P. But yeah, NQ does not look too bad right now. We still have that opening range gap on this as well. So it's not like, as far as the target goes, it's kind of all the same. Man, it's hard to ignore the, I think either one would be fine. For whatever reason, though, I'm going to go with my instinct on this one. My instinct tells me to trade NQ. Just from the way that this has expanded so much further through the structure. So I'm going to get short guy or long in this gap, guys. Buy limit. Are we going to get a pullback, though? That's the question. Holy cow. What's going on in here? Guys, someone tell this thing to fucking stop. Well, okay, so only thing we can do now is wait. There's not really much else to say other than, you know, we then kind of start shifting to these other buy side levels. My eyes would go to, I guess I shouldn't have deleted that. It would go to this buy side from Thursday. I guess this is the Thursday lunchtime high of last week, which is right above Monday AM session high yesterday. So ES does have a little low resistance liquidity run up here. And until we get to that, you know, if this is looking like it's going to maintain bullishness, I would still like us to get in and target this. But we still need to wait for some form of structure. This does kind of look like 2022 model. All right, I might be ballsy here. This is really tight for a stop. I just got triggered in, guys. I'm going to get long here. This is going to be really tight. I'm going to go right below this low. But I like this order block. I like this fair value gap here on ES. Hopefully we can get some continued price action here. This is super tight, though. I mean, it's literally not even 3 points. Super light risk here, but I just like this structure here on the 1 minute. I'm going to take a stab at it. Fair value gap order block. I'll lose pretty much nothing, to be honest, if this stops me out. So 2.5 point stop. Nice. As far as TP goes, gonna go risk free if we break this high right here. This is the London high, right? Guess we'll do that. 15 points, little 1 to 6 RR. We'll take it. wanted to be safe rather than sorry. Since I feel like I'm in the wrong one. There we go. Nice. But yeah, guys, partial if you want to. Maybe I should... 2 contracts. Yeah, I guess I'll sell one back. Sold one back. Gonna modify this to 1. Up about 10 points, I think, right now. Yeah, a little over 10 points, guys. So again, you know, partial as you want. I mean, if you want a partial right now, it's up to you. It's 10 points, so totally your call. Yo, what's good, guys? So the recording got ended early. But basically after the Zoom call ended, this is where the trade is at. So I'm just giving you guys like an update or updated version of where the trade has gone. So really easy and quick here. I'll just give you guys how it went down. So this was obviously a potential TP1 / and or take profit was just an even 10 handles. And then we were shooting for that London high, which did finally get taken. And then obviously thought was it was possible for us to come take out all of these highs up here on the 1 hour chart. So that is like for anybody holding any potential runners, that would be where we are at. I'm currently out of this position fully. I am not holding a runner at the moment. So, you know, I'm not in this anymore, but there potentially very well could be some other people that are still in it and they could be holding for this entire run. I'm not exactly sure if we'll get a run through all of these highs or maybe just some internal highs. We'll see. But yeah, great trade today. Winning streak continues. We literally have not lost in over a week. 6-0 the last 6 trades. So things are looking good. It's been a lot of fun trading over the last week or so with these conditions and looking to just obviously keep it rolling into the rest of the week. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions on any of the setup, hopefully it was good. I definitely missed out on some profit by not being able to capitalize on getting in, you know, earlier on in the move down here on NQ, but it's all good. Was able to get at least something out of this move and potentially more yet to come. So great day, no complaints. And you guys can keep an eye on this for me and just look yourself to see if we ended up taking all those highs or not. Like I said, I'm not in this position anymore, but there could very well be people in the Discord that were on the session that are still holding. Everybody kind of manages their trade a little bit different, and that's how it should be. Everybody should be managing their trade the way that makes sense for them and their account. But yeah, no complaints here. Happy with today, happy with the last week or so, and we'll see what the rest of the week has in store. Peace out, guys.